Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your BeReal account permanently. Deleting your BeReal account is as easy as creating a new account. But if you do not have an account yet, make sure to check our other video where you can learn how you can create a BeReal account. But for today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your BeReal account permanently and easily. So first of all, open the BeReal app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. And when you reach the home screen, there on the top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Click there. Then again, you will see three buttons on the top right corner, which will then take you to another settings. You need to click there. You will then be taken to a lot of options like this. There, you need to select the Contact Us button. And there, you will find the option to delete your account. Simply click there. And you can choose a reason why you have to delete your BeReal account. I'm just gonna click on one and then click on Yes, I'm sure button. And that's it. When you're logged out from your device, you should not log in back within the next 15 days. If you log in back within the next 15 days, your BeReal account will not be deleted. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful for you.